Good morning, students. Once again with you to discuss the rest of the topic of the Harappan civilization. So today we'll discuss about the art and crafts, sculptures, ornaments, dress of the Harappan civilization, also the decline of the civilization. So let's start. All the works of the Harappan art and including the figurines of the clay, terracotta, stone and bronze sculptures, seals and beads are products of skilled craftsmanship. So these are the evidence of skilled craftsmanship of the Harappan peoples. A piece of woven cotton was also discovered where in Mohenjo-daro, and textile impression were found to the several objects also, like the beard man. We can see the picture of Saul. So this is also proof that textiles industries or textile development. You can see these are the Harappan pottery. Next, the Harappan practiced the boat making, seal making, making of the terracotta articles were the important craft. So important craft of the Harappan civilization was boat making, seal making, making terracotta articles, and also the terracotta figures include the human beings, animals, and birds. We got some of the terracotta figures of human beings, animals, and birds. The human figurines were shown. They are wearing the heavy ornaments, also the jewelry and elaborate headgear. Headgear means pagri. Among the objects most common were the terracotta models and bullock carts and plough. So what are the terracotta models we got? Among them the bull carts and the plough were very common. Next, the goldsmith or jewelry maker of silver, gold, and precious stones like ivory. Also, they are using. The Harappan also knew the art of bead making. Bead, to you are using to make the necklace. So, this art also developed. Harappan produced their own characteristic pottery, which was made glossy and shining. Glossy and shining potteries also discovered earthen vessels, pottery crafted on the potter's wheels when decorated with a black geometrical design. So black geometrical design on the earthen pottery we got as a evidence, and the jars was very large and narrow necks. We already saw the pictures. Narrow jar, this is this type of the jars, and the long neck large jars we are getting from the Harappan civilization. Next, we'll discuss about the sculptures. Here, one of the famous sculptures is the bearded man of the Mohenjo-daro. Next, the dancing girls in Mohenjo-daro, the two famous sculpture style. And also, we got some of the bronze figures of animals, buffalo, rams means sheep in this Harappan civilization. And a large number male or female figures have also been found in this civilization. These are the evidence of the Harappan sculptures. You can see these sculptures also. Next, the sculptures is metal was done through the special lost wax process. What type of the process it is? In this process, wax, that wax figures were covered. They are making the wax figure and they cover with the coating of clay. With the coating of clay, they covered it. Then the wax is melted by heating, and hollow mold thus created was filled with the molten metal, and which took the original shape of the object. It was a very good process they were following. First, they are making the wax figures and they covered with the coating of clay. They're giving the coating of clay, and they keep some of the holes also. They heating the object, the clay, and after that molten wax coming out from the hollows, and the hollow mold they are using to make the different type of the shape of object. Next, dress they are wearing dhoti also, and we got the proof of sawals in the bearded men. Next, we got the use of clock, and the women wear wore a skirt and use a clock of cover. Clock of cover means bulky cover arms and shoulders. The discovery of needles and buttons we are getting, and it proved that the clothes were stitched by them. Next, ornaments. The different type of the ornaments: necklace, finger ring, bangles, armlets, anklet, rose finger, fan shaped headdress. I will show the picture, and earring. They're using gold and silver mainly, and also the ivory. Ivory means teeth of the elephant. Both men and women wearing the ornaments. So here fan shaped headdresses. These are the ornaments. I will show the many ornaments also. You can see this is the fan shaped ornaments. Sorry, headdress of the Harappan civilization. Fan shaped headdress. You can see the top of that. This we got the clay figure of it, but from there it proved that they are wearing this type of the headdress. And ornaments, you can see the ornaments here, the different type of the ornaments, handmade ornaments they are also wearing, both man and woman. So next, so we'll discuss now the toys and amusements. People played the game and had many other forms of entertainment. They played the dice, and hunting and fishing also one of the entertainment. Musical instruments was there like the drum and lyre. I will show the what drum, you know, lyre I will show. It was one of the wire based instruments, and boy and toys of birds, animals, figure, cards and whistles also made there. So you see once the lyres, I have kept the pictures here. This type of the instruments they are using also. This is lyre. Okay, next we will discuss about the causes of decline of Harappan civilization. The first cause here depicted the floods and earthquake. It is held in by some of the scholars that floods in Mohenjo-daro led by the abandonment of the settlement, means settlement was collapsed by the flood and earthquake. They have inferred this form of fact that the houses and streets were found the silty clay that was flooded water, that was left by the flooded water, which had the submerged the streets and houses. They got some of the evidence of the silty clay after the flood. Whatever the clays are left, black type of the clay, this type of the clays were left on the street and houses. That proof the archaeologists got. The people of the Mohenjo-daro again built up the houses and street on the top of the debris of the previous building. That evidence also got that debris of the previous building they have made the houses again, and after the floods had receded and floods when gone back, then after that they made it. But a time came that improvised Harappans of the Mohenjo-daro could not take it any more and simply abandoned the settlement. They didn't take any more step to make their houses. After that they shift the settlement. According to the famous hydrologist, they are the expert of water like the R.L. Rakes, such as the flooding could not be the result of normal flooding in the river of Indus. They are telling that this type of the flood was not normal flooding. There was a big flood. It looked like inundations. Earthquakes might have been raised in the level on the flat plains of the Indus River. This uplift of the plain of the Indus blocked the passage of the river sea, and the rising of the water level of the river led to the inundations of the hinterland of Mohenjo-daro. So they are telling that after the earthquake, the some of the passage place of the Indus River uplifted, and thus the water of the Indus River come into the Mohenjo-daro hinterland of the Mohenjo-daro, and it led to the inundations, and it declined the society. Increase of the hereditaries is hereditary means draft. According to the renowned historians D.P. Agarwal and Sood, the Harappan civilization declined because of the increasing aridity of the area of drying of the river Gagra. They are thinking that drying of the river Gagra was one of the cause of decline. Sultej and Jamuna used to be the tributaries of the river Gagra because some of the tectonic disturbance, and before that the Sutlej and Jamuna were the two tributaries of the Ghagra, but after that tectonic disturbance, the Sutlej become the tributaries of Indus River, and Jamuna also marched with the shifted to the join with Gangas, and these changes left the Ghagra waterless. And ecological disturbance also the cause that it also shifted the drains of pattern and decline the Harappan civilization. Ecological disturbance is a natural disturbance is also one of the cause of this decline. Next, deforestation. They cut the trees for what purpose? Because they were living in the Bronze Age civilization to make the enormous quantity of they are using the enormous quantity of the woods to produce the bronze, and also produce the jewelries, bake bricks, pottery, stoneware, and make the boards and furniture also, and this become the cause of the decline, some of the historians were thinking. Next, attack. Some of the historians like the Mortimer Wheeler told that Aryan destroyed the Indus settlement. How he told? Because they got some of the skeletal of 13 males and females and one of the child found lying in the room, and they were killed by some of the terrorists. It looked like that because they got some of the mark impression of the swords on their body. So depend on the things they told that Harappan civilization declined by the some Aryan destroyer. Next, after that, this civilization kept a great remark in our world, and the different type of bake potteries, brick, boards, jewelries, textile, it is also etc. also adopted by the different civilization afterwards. And one of the most achievement of the Harappan people was the cultivation of the cotton. It was first discovered in Harappan only, and the different type of worshipping like the Pasupita Shiva, female deity, mother goddess, sacred trees, animals, serpents, big snakes, religious symbols, etc., which also keep that remark during the Harappan period, and some of that have continued to this day also. In some of the peoples continuing, these are the culture, little some of the few things of these cultures in our societies. So the picture of serpents I will show also, that one also kept here. Here you can see that person is holding the one's big snake, and that's why this is also the symbols, religious symbols of the Harappan civilization. So for today, thank you, bye.